butter cookies. Ingredients for this are
1 cup butter, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 pinch of salt, half cup of sugar.
Let's start mixing.
Add butter, sugar and vanilla extract and then mix it well. Add corn flour and all-purpose flour and mix it very well. Now our mix is ready. Refrigerate it for 20 to 30 minutes. Preheat oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Bake in preheat 15 to 18 minutes.
Let it cool completely. Now our cookies are ready to serve. Now our tasty and crispy butter cookies are ready.
Now it's
Time for tasting. Amazing.
Superb. It is very tasty and crispy.
You must make it at your home. If you like our channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.
And press the bell icon near the subscribe button to get more information and updates on our new videos. And let us know your feedback in the comment box.
Thanks for watching.